Hello guys, welcome back in your GK class. Today we will start 10th chapter, class 5th, page number 14, chapter 10, that is well-known environmentalists. So first one is famous Indian environmentalist who led the Chipko movement to save trees. Environmentalists are those who do the things for our environment, to save our environment. So the first one is Sundarlal Bahuguna. Second one is he started Chipko movement in Uttarakhand against deforestation. Deforestation, that cutting the trees, that is deforestation. So who started that Chipko movement? Chipko movement, that they hug the trees, that don't cut these ones. So its answer, who started this movement in Uttarakhand, that is Chandi Prasad Bhatt. Third one is a well-known environmentalist wrote a book on global warming, former Vice President of United States. So he wrote a book on global warming and he was the former President of United States, that is Al Gore. Fourth one is founded that less use of pesticide and synthetic fertilizers cause less contamination of soil, got right livelihood award. So this lady is Vandana Shiva. Next one is an active member of Jal Bridhari, working for protection of water resources. The person who work for the water resources like from which we get the water, rivers, lakes, etc. See, answer is Rajendra Singh. Fifth one is this 34 years old Swami sacrificed his life to save river Ganga. The person who saved the river Ganga, he is 34 years old, that is Swami Nigamananda. Next is fought in Supreme Court against factories damaging Taj Mahal. The person who fought in the Supreme Court for the damaging the factory which are damaging Taj Mahal, against them he fought, that is MC Mehta. Next one is known for her role in Narmada Bachao Andolan, that is Amita Patkar. Now the 11th is forests are green treasure. In this chapter we will discuss about the forests. First one is a mix of deciduous and coniferous evergreen trees found in South America, Northern Eastern Asia and Western Eastern Europe. They are broad leafy hardwood trees, shed leaves annually. There are well-defined seasons with distinct winter and sufficient rainfall, that is temperate forest. Second one is these are also known as cloud forest because they receive most of their precipitation from the lowlands. Some of the woodlands and the grasslands are found in high elevation tropical, subtropical and temperate zones. These are mainly conifers. Trees are mainly conifers. Those are the montane forest. Third one, in year-round high temperature and abundant rainfall makes them a dense, lush forest found near the equator. They are vital storehouses of biodiversity on the planet. They are facing severe threat due to excessive deforestation. So its answer is tropical rainforest.